Please check your answer to the practice problem. If that's what you got and you have no questions, then please move on and start looking at logarithms. If this is not what you got, or you don't even know where to start, then please stay around and we'll work it out. Okay, for compounded continuously, we are not using the general growth formula. We have a whole different equation to use. So for continuous compounding, that's when we use the natural growth factor, E. Continuous compounding, the future value, future amount is going to equal the principal times that natural growth factor raised to the rate times the time, where the rate and time agree in units. On this problem, the rate is 6% per year for a period of 8 years. So we can just use those numbers without making any changes. So our future amount is going to be the principal, the $10,000 that's invested, times the natural growth factor raised to the 0.06, just have to write that as a decimal, times 8 years. Now, if you're doing this in your head, you could rewrite that as 10,000 times e to the 0.48, and then enter it in the calculator as 10,000 times second ln and 0.48 equals. In the middle here, we should come up with an e to the what key. Now, it may be, if you are doing it directly from here, that it's just in the way it's being entered. It depends upon the model of calculator. So it could be, take 10,000 times, and you do your second ln, or you have a direct e to the x key. So that you get e to the x. It could be that you might have to enter that as 10,000 times, and get the e to the whatever power it wants you to put in there. You might have to actually put it in as e to the parentheses 0.06 times 8 close parentheses, and then hit the enter or the equals button. You may have to tell it to do that multiplication all as part of this exponent, and then it should come out to the $16,160.74. If you're still having trouble, then please contact your teacher and we'll see if we can work out what is the issue with the particular calculator you're using.